This month I've tried so many new products. I've had hits and misses, so I'm going to share with you everything that I've been obsessed with recently. And if you're new, welcome. My name is Jen, Jen's Beauty Style. Please don't forget to subscribe and give this video a thumbs up if you enjoy. This here, oh my god, this is from Smashbox. Now I have oily skin, so this is for oily skin, but they have so many different variations of this primer. I will be posting a video on this. It should be up on my channel. That video should go up first. This is the Photo Finish Control Mattifying Primer, Salicylic Acid Silk Screen Complex. Wow. I can't describe it. I'm not gonna go too much into detail about it because I have a dedicated video on this, but this stuff is good. If you have oily skin, you have to try this. Like, I haven't been this matte in such a long time that I'm staying matte longer. This stuff is a must. Didn't break me out. Doesn't feel greasy, oily. Once you blend it out, you don't even remember that it's on your face. Your face just feels so smooth. It helps so much with the pores, and I didn't break out. So this is a must. I will be listing the products in the description, so check it out. This is a new Super Shock Shadow from ColourPop. This is from their Daisy collection. Look how pretty it is. It actually came like in a little set. It brought a gold one and this one. So this is what it came in. It's called Lawn Party. Okay, this is in the shade Beloved. It is what I have on my eyes right now. I just applied it with a brush and then I went in with my finger, and it's just so beautiful. Like, I love the Super Shock shadows and the Super Shock highlighters. The highlighters, the shadows, they're just so pretty. The formula is unbelievable. This is what it looks like. It is a little dirty now because I used it. I went in with a brush that I think had a different color. That's why you see some like orange there. But just a beautiful ultra glitter. This is 22B3. It here. Let me try to swatch it if I can. It's so pretty, so pretty. Like, I would literally like buy these in every color. It's such a pretty collection. Here's the gold one. Looks kind of broken. This color is the one that I was like dying to try. It's so pretty. You guys saw on my Instagram stories, I posted about this stuff so much. I got a sample of this. This is the Clean Perfume in Skin. See it well? This stuff is so good. Some of you guys love my perfume videos when I do them. I'm due for one. I haven't done a perfume video in a while. But wow, I can't describe how this smells. And someone else like talked about it on, I think it was on YouTube, and this thing like blew up. It was sold out, and I was like, what a coincidence that like that person just spoke about it. I don't know. I don't think it's like new. They have many different ones, but this one is called Skin from Clean. Amazing. It's so soft. If you could understand what I mean by soft. But they do have this, I think it's a Sephora Favorites, that is like a bunch of different perfumes. I think it's $75, but then they give you like this coupon that you can get any of those in full size for free. I'll try to link it if they still have it. Yeah, imagine like you get to try many little perfumes. Of course, they're gonna be small sizes. You're not gonna get like all these brands for like their full size, so you get like a bunch of small samples, and then you get to redeem one full size for free. So I think that's pretty good. But if you don't care for that, just buy this. I think the big size is like $100. They do have a travel size, which I was trying to get. And I've tried like 2 different mascaras. This one is from Benefit Cosmetics, is the Bad Gal Bang in waterproof. I only use waterproof mascaras. Sometimes I'll try the regular formula for you guys, but me personally, I love to use waterproof. So they finally came out with a waterproof edition of this. I do have this video on my channel showing you without makeup how it looks, so you can see. You need to watch that video. Okay, if you haven't, you need to watch that video if you love waterproof, and tell me what you think. It's really good. I'll show you the wand here. That's what it looks like. I know their washable formula is like one of their best selling makeup products, so it was good. tried this from Nudestix. I also mentioned it. I do have a video separately on this. This is such a beautiful concealer. And this is a mini size. They do have it in large, but of course I wanted to try the mini first. Oh my god, the formula is so good. Like it doesn't look heavy on the skin. It has a nice amount of coverage. This is the color Nude 1. It's just so pretty, so pretty. And I'm glad I was trying to find it for this video because it was like somewhere all the way down my makeup bag. But it's so pretty. I usually like my concealers really light. But again, this just has such good coverage without looking cakey. A must. A must from Nudestix. This powder here from Kimchi, I got it in an Ipsy bag. This is the Puff Puff Pass. I have a new makeup routine right now, so I have to make that video for you guys, just showing you like the products that I'm using right now. I change them all the time because I review products for you, so I'm always testing out new products. But right now, I'm loving that primer. First, I use a moisturizer, then I use that Smashbox primer, and then when I go ahead and set my face, I've been using this Kimchi Chick Puff Puff Pass Set and Bake Powder. I also have a video on it telling you all about it, the price, the colors, everything. I don't go a lot for like loose setting powders, but I believe this one is really good. I don't know, the combination of everything that I've been using, I feel like it makes my skin look very nice. So the puff, look how cute it is. I don't want to make a mess, but it comes like in a little heart there. Love it. I feel like I want to put some on right now. I was cooking. I don't know if that's why I feel so hot, but plus this light, I am sweating. And I'm looking at my face to see how well it's holding up. Yeah, but everything looks pretty nice. Look at these lines. Oh my god. This is the new matte lipstick from Revlon. This is the Revlon Colorstay Matte Light Crayon. I really like crayon lipsticks. I don't know why. And this is a beautiful matte without feeling dry. Many different shades if red is not your color. I just like the formula. Did try this on my TikTok. Everywhere my socials is Jenz BeautyStyle. Instagram, Twitter, TikTok, wherever you would like to follow me and be my friend. Sometimes I do videos there that I don't post on YouTube, so I can do it for YouTube if you would like, but this is really nice. I have not tried the one from Maybelline, the crayon. I've tried the matte lipstick, and by the way, this smells delicious. Oh my god, it smells so good. I really want to get a nude, like pinky shade, because that's my favorite, but you can't go wrong with a red, okay? This is so gorgeous. It's nice and pigmented. You get a nice amount of product as well. It looks much brighter than what it is. It's a really nice red. I don't like the orangey reds. I like more like the bluish red. Let me see if maybe I'll swatch a bit here. It's a very pretty color. I tried these two from Wet n Wild. This is the Cloud Pout lipsticks. Yeah, this formula is fantastic. Fantastic. And I'll show you like my favorite way to apply it in that video too. This color's beautiful. This is in the shade Marsh to My Mallow. Is this shade here. I'll show you really quickly. That's the applicator. Smells lovely, lovely. Love the scent. Now I remember, like, smelled so good. And then this one is in the shade Love You S'more. That is it. It's lovely. It's not your typical like vanilla scent. Still fruity. It smells so good. This other mascara that I tried is the Lancome Idol mascara, also waterproof. If you don't like waterproof, they have the regular version, but this is what the one looks like. So it's much different than the other one, although both of them look like spiky. Also have a video on this if you want to see like a playlist of the mascaras that I have reviewed. So nice. The volume, the length, it just gives you everything. It holds a curl so good. It's a cream from Laura Mercier. I don't know if you've tried it. Her cream, some of her creams look beautiful. The packaging I've seen, but this is the Almond coconut hand cream. Oh my god, I can't describe how this smells. Let me just put some on right now. It's just like if I put cream and then I touch my hair will get oily. I really like it. It's such a beautiful combination. Oh, it smells so good. Not too sweet, but it's still sweet, you know? But not like, wow, that's like the sweetest thing I've ever smelled. But you smell both. You smell the coconut and the almond. Coconut is my favorite. So let me know if you've tried any of these products. Do you like them? What have you been loving this month? Let me know. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.